Hey guys, in this video I want to be answering the question if you can convert Google Play balance into redeem code. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so I'm over at support.google and some guy has asked the same question here, and what I've seen, they have said no, you cannot do this basically. So Google does not provide an official method to convert your Google Play balance into a redeemable gift code. Once funds are added to your Google Play account, they are intended for purchasing apps, games, movies, books, and other digital content within the Google Play ecosystem. So these funds are non-transferable and cannot be exchanged for gift cards or withdrawn to bank accounts. So while some online tutorials and videos claim to offer methods for converting your Google Play balance into redeem codes, I've seen videos on YouTube and some online Reddit discussions. These are not supported by Google and may involve unauthorized or risky practices. Engaging with such methods could potentially violate Google's terms of service and compromise your account security.